When preparing audio material for students of foreign languages, we need to make sure the level is correct, that the subject matter is appropriate for the age range and suitable for your students to use in collaboration with each other or with friends overseas. To create an audio file, you can use your microphone and record directly into the Language Lab or into your online video recorder. You could alternatively use an online text-to-speech program. In Google Translate, you enter the word or series of words, click Settings, More Tools, Developer Tools, activate the Listen button, then double-click on the resulting Translate file. This gives you an MP3 file which you can import either directly to your Language Lab or into your video editor.